Hi, I'm Helen Claire, and this is day 5 of the Yoga for Runners 5-minute tune-ups. Today we'll be thinking about the upper back and the shoulders, and we're going to need a spare rolled up mat or a towel or a blanket. Okay, let's come and start lying down on your front with your forearms out back into your Sphinx. Lengthen the legs, lengthen the tailbone, and gently press the floor away under your arms. Lift your chest. And feel a broadening through the chest as you drop your shoulders away from your ears. Hi, Monty. Let's take another breath or two here. And then come down. Just rest your forehead on your hands for a moment. And then widen your arms out to the side. Bend your elbows about 90 degrees. So your arms are in a cactus type shape. Rest your forehead down. Again, lengthen the legs back, lengthening your tailbone. And then keep that there. Lift the back of your shoulders, your elbows, then your hands, then float your chest and your head up. And then maybe lift the legs up. Inhale, draw the shoulders back. And exhale, float down. Again, inhale, rolling up, lift the backs of the shoulders, the elbows, the hands, the chest, head, and your legs. Inhale again here, draw the shoulders back. And exhale, float down. So wherever you're coming to is fine. Let's do one more. Inhale as you come up. And let's take a few more breaths here if that's okay for you. So draw the back of the shoulders back and then squeeze the shoulder blades gently towards each other. Keep the tailbone long. And then slowly exhale down. Again, rest your forehead on your hands. And bring your hands either side. Slide your hips back towards your heels. We'll come to a child's pose. Just to reverse the shape of the spine. And then slowly roll up. And then take your spare mat or your rolled up towel or blanket. Place it long ways down your mat. Sit right in front of it so that your sacrum's against the mat or the blanket, and slowly lie yourself back, supporting your spine and support the back of your head. If you need something else like a block or a cushion under your head, grab that as well. And then legs can be wherever you like. So maybe just relax them out there in front and relax your arms either side. And feel the weight of your hips and your pelvis dropping into the floor. Feel the support of that roll under your spine. It should feel comfortable. If it isn't, try adjusting yourself slightly. Let your neck be nice and long. And then let your arms relax either side. Now, the aim of this here is to let the shoulders do nothing and to drop back towards the floor either side of that roll. And so many of our daily actions, including running, are in this forward motion. That if we're not moving with awareness, we can start to excessively hunch around in the shoulders. So taking a pose like this where we're passively stretching, reopening through the chest and the front of the shoulders, allowing the shoulders to drop back, to reset, Doing this on a regular basis is going to greatly enhance our overall posture. And that's going to transfer into our running alignment. And we can also work on strengthening the back, strengthening the backs of the shoulders, as well as core work. And that all together is going to enhance our alignment, improve our running technique, our efficiency. And in addition to that, this is just such a great recovery pose for anyone at the end of the day. So spend as long as you can here, at least a couple of minutes. And you don't need to feel a lot. As athletes, we expect to feel a lot, a great sensation in things that we do. In some of these passive yoga poses, the sensation can be very subtle. So know that it's working, know that you don't have to feel a lot. And just see what you can do to rest and relax. So take your last couple of breaths, or stay here for longer if you can. When you are done, slowly roll to one side and push yourself back up. Thank you so much. So that was day 5. That was this week of Yoga for Runners 5-minute tune-ups. Come and revisit each of these classes whenever you like, or why not try putting them all together for a whole body quick fix tune-up. Make sure you subscribe so that you can check out other videos, and head over to HelenClayYoga.com where you can see other offerings that I have. Thank you. See you next time.